Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to Blue Hills Bolts and Bondo. Just a quick video to introduce myself and show you my lineup of cars. As you can see behind me, that's the 26 Ford, and it's about the only one that's enjoying the heat. Join me outside and we'll see the rest of the lineup. Well, it's minus 25, feels like minus 32 Celsius. Just coming on outside to show you the first of the lineup here. This is my 96 Integra, and like most Integras, it was pretty bad rusted around the wheel well and the rockers there, so I did a little patching. I still got to do more on the other side. And around the corner here, don't know if you guys can see that, is my 67 GMC CST. Did a little work on that last summer. Got my cab corners done, rockers are done, front fender lower patch done. That rocker, it does not come the length of the door for whatever reason. I'm gonna have to work on that again. And we'll slip over to the cuddy. Again, lots of work done, lots to go. The roof was 110% shot. I had to pull the Lando top off and patch in a big piece of steel here. It's probably rolled at one time in its life as well. Back then they just fixed them and sent them out the door. So be doing some rocker, not so much rocker work, but wheel wells and lower panels there. 2012 Dodge Challenger. Basically, that's my summer ride along with that 96. And she's sitting outside freezing. This here is my 55 Chevy. It's probably one of the better cars that I've gotten to this point. The body was decent when I got it. The interior seats were done at one time. And I did carpet and headliner. Not the best job, but the best I can do. This is painted that myself. And 355 motor. And for the AMC fans out there, 1966 Marlin. This was my father's car. He had passed away and I inherited it. This is 327 4-speed factory tack car. Pretty rare. So it gets out to a car show or two, but doesn't go too far. And over on this side, covered in dust and everything else, is the 47 Nash. We mocked up 425 Cadillac motor for this. It's in. There's a 500 on the stand. And I gotta get it in one day. Oh, head back to where it's warm. Thanks for joining me on the Blue Hills Bolts and Bondo Frozen Fleet Tour. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the comments. And hey, stay warm.